Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Capsa, where we dive into the fascinating world of pharmacy and biomedical sciences. Today we are uncovering the secrets of a plant that have been saving lives for centuries. That is Digitalis, commonly known as foxglove. So Digitalis is a genus of about 20 species of herbaceous perennial shrubs and biennials also, commonly found in Europe, North America, North Africa, etc. Known for its strikingly beautiful tubular flowers, this plant is more than just a eye candy. It holds powerful medicinal properties that have been used to treat heart conditions for centuries. But how did this plant go from a garden beauty to a heart healer? Let's dive into the world of pharmacognosy to find out. So, what is pharmacognosy? It's a study of medicines derived from natural sources, including plants, animals, and minerals. Pharmacognosy, this word comes from two Greek words. First one is pharmakon, second one is gnosis. Now, this pharmacognosy actually combines knowledge of botany, chemistry, and pharmacology to discover how these natural products can be used to improve health and treat diseases. And Digitalis is one of the classic examples of a plant that has contributed immensely to modern medicines. Now, this magic behind Digitalis lies in the active compounds called cardiac glycosides, the most famous of which are digoxin and digitoxin. Now, you can see the first drug, that is Digitalis, obtained from Digitalis purpurea, the main herbal drug, purpurea glycoside A and purpurea glycoside B. These are the main chemical constants found in this shrub. Okay. After the enzymatic hydrolysis, purpurea glycoside A produces digitoxin. Glucose, after then further hydrolysis, produces getoxygenin plus 3 digitoxose. Purpurea glycoside B, after enzymatic hydrolysis, produces getoxin plus glucose. Then hydrolysis, after further hydrolysis of getoxin, produces getoxygenin plus 3 digitoxose. Similar, the allied drug Digitalis lanata have three active constituent, lanatoside A, B and C. They are further after hydrolysis, alkaline hydrolysis, then enzymatic hydrolysis produces digitoxin, getoxin and digoxin. Okay. Now, these compounds have a profound effect on the heart, helping to strengthen the heart contractions and regulate heart rate, which makes them vital in treating conditions like congestive heart failure and atrial fibrillation. But how exactly do these cardiac glycosides work? Let's break it down. Cardiac glycosides work by inhibiting an enzyme known as sodium potassium ATPase in the heart cells. This inhibition leads to an increase in intracellular calcium levels, which enhances the contractility of the heart muscle. Essentially, it helps the heart pump more effectively. Cool, right? Now, before you run up to plant Digitalis in your backyard for some DIY heart medication, a word of caution. Digitalis is a double-edged sword. While it has life-saving properties, it is also highly toxic if not used properly. Okay, you can see people's also confused with two type of leaves. First one is comfrey leaves and second one is digitalis leaves. You can see here comfrey leaves is not toxic, okay, but digitalis leaves is so much toxic. Comfrey leaves does not show any kind of saw-toothed surface in their leaves, but Digitalis leaves you can see clearly have rough surface. Clear? Now, in the 18th century, a physician named William Withering popularized the use of Digitalis in treating heart conditions. However, it was well known even then that the line between a therapeutic and a toxic dose were very thin. Today, Digitalis derived drugs like digitoxin or digoxins are used under strict medical supervisions. Why? Because the symptoms of Digitalis toxicity includes nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and even life-threatening arrhythmias. So it is a classic case of the dose makes the poison. Clear? Now, so what is the next? What is the future of Digitalis? So researchers are constantly exploring new ways to harness its benefits while minimizing its risks. Advances in pharmacognosy and biotechnology are helping us to understand how to better use these plants powerful compound safely and effectively. By combining traditional knowledge with modern medicine, we continue to unlock the healing potential of plants like Digitalis and making them safer and more effective for patients around the world. So Digitalis is a prime example of how nature and science come together to improve lives. So the next time you see these beautiful flowers, you will know they are more than just a pretty face. They are lifesaver. So if you like or if you found this video informative and want to learn more about the fascinating world of pharmacognosy, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching Capsa, where we make learning as powerful as Digitalis. Thank you.